Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your NB PLUS Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to set the time of your NB PLUS Smartwatch. So in my previous video guys, I showed you on how to connect, so let's tap on Wear Fit Pro. Alright, and let's tap on devices. So guys, our time right now it's 5:20 p.m. and here in my watch it says 1:31. Alright, so for us to set the time on our NB PLUS Smartwatch, all we have to do guys is we're just going to add the device. Okay, it says you're searching, and let's tap on NB PLUS. Okay, so as you can see guys, the time is set automatically. So once your device is connected, then your time of your NB PLUS Smartwatch will also be set. Okay, it's just very easy guys. So if you have any questions, just make sure to comment down below. And then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.